Thai mushroom and corn rice. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Sonika and today we're making a rice recipe. So the recipe that we're making today is a Thai mushroom and corn rice. Let's take a look at all the ingredients that we need to make this. Boiled basmati rice, quartered button mushrooms, sliced baby corn, chopped onions, coconut milk, finely chopped red chilies, star anise, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, black peppercorns, basil leaves, salt, oil. So the recipe we're making today gets its inspiration all the way from Thailand. We're going to toss some mushrooms and some baby corn along with some rice and some great Thai flavors. Let's not waste any time and start making this recipe. First, let's heat some oil in a pan. And once the oil is moderately hot, let's add some ginger into it. Next, we'll add some of the chilies. And let's just fry this a little to just reduce the heat of the chilies. After just sauteing it for like less than a minute, we're going to add some chopped garlic to this. Now, this is not an authentic Thai recipe, but we're using a lot of ingredients that is used commonly in Thai cooking, so we're going to call it a Thai rice. So before garlic starts going brown, let's add in some chopped onions. Now I'm going to turn up the heat and let this saute for a couple of minutes till the onions go slight golden brown in color. So the onions have gone slightly brown. Let's add in the sliced corn or the baby corn into this. And let's toss this for a bit before we can add in the mushrooms. Let's go ahead and add in the mushrooms to the pan. So we've just quartered the mushrooms and not cut them very finely because they tend to shrink once they're cooked. So let's just saute this for a couple of minutes after we've added the mushrooms. At this stage, I'm going to season it with some salt. After we've added the salt, you'll see that all the moisture from the mushroom starts getting out. Now while these saute, let's just roughly chop up some basil leaves. Let's add this to the pan now. Now we'll add a couple of peppercorns to this. And I'm also going to add in one piece of star anise. That's because I really like the flavor. At this stage, I'm going to add in some more of the chopped chilies and give it a mix again. Now let's add in the coconut milk, and this is what makes this dish so Thai. Now we can add in the rice to the pan and nicely mix this together. At this point, you want to probably check for seasoning and add in a little salt if needed. And now we can turn off the flame and get ready to serve this beautiful dish. So I've got this bowl over here in which I'm going to put our rice. And now we can garnish this with some of the chopped basil and also some of the chopped red chilies, just for color. So here we have Thai mushroom and corn rice, a quick and easy vegetarian rice recipe which you can eat just like that or with any accompaniment of your choice.